Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable driver signature enforcement in Windows 10. So guys, you have to boot into Windows boot menu. Just go to settings, go to Windows Update and Recovery. And from here, just click on Start Advanced Startup and restart your computer from here. So there are the options. Just go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Startup Repairs. And from here, you just have to click on Restart. Now your computer will restart into the menu, and there you can see the startup settings. From here, you can press 7 to disable driver signature enforcement. Just press 7 and your computer will start booting up. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.